Okay, so the question about frozen floor is after the grade on Friday, which is what? What's happening Friday? Say it. Last unit test on Friday. That'll be your last grade, so that means your grades cannot go lower than that. Okay. But here's another thing. Exemption window is Wednesday through Friday, so I can't put any more grades after Tuesday for this week. So whatever you turn in Tuesday, I'll try to grade by the end of the day. Then your grade's kind of stuck till Friday for exemption window, and then after the test Friday, I'm going to put it in, I guess, over the weekend, and then you'll know what your grade can be at least for the 9 weeks. Question. What will we do what? After Friday, we will review because finals are around the corner. And then some of y'all will be desperately trying to salvage your grades. Because, sorry, I cannot roll my eyes enough. Because y'all don't do things until you're in the hole, which is not a way to live your life. I hope y'all know that. So, but nonetheless, we will have enough time to fix things, all right? Look right here, please, everybody. I'm still missing calculators, so let's actually dig deep into your minds and into your bags and think about if you might have one on accident, because I just need it back. That's all I need, okay? You should have turned in 10.3A, 10.3B. Those are in the grade book. 10.3C will go in the grade book, I guess, tomorrow. And then today we're doing 10.4. So let's do this warm-up real quick. Do you have an actual question? Which one, A, B, or C? C is power rule, and it's like this warm-up where you have the power on the inside and you do what with it?
Expand it.
You do expand it. Friday. So the notes in the assignment are in the blue bin. But first, let's do the warm-up. It's really quick, okay? Hey. Now, what did we learn? Listen. What did we learn on Friday? If there's an exponent on the inside, where does that exponent go? Out to the front. That's it. Easy. So this 4 goes right there. So 4, this is called natural log. By the way, this is not an I, this is a lowercase l. This is ln, natural log of x. Does everyone see that if you have an exponent on the inside, you can drag it to the front, and also backwards. If there's a number in front, coefficient, you can drag it to be the exponent on the inside of that log, okay? No. So that is the warm-up. Does everyone have that down? Okay, because I'm about to pass this out and I'm going to explain it to you. This is kind of a mixed version of what we've done in 10.3 ABC, okay? So does anyone need this? I'll give you like 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're moving on. So this is what your assignment's going to look like. Now let me explain this, okay? Let me write on this. Can I write on this? Raw. Yes. Okay. So if you didn't know this, E is equal to 2.718. Okay. On your calculator, there is an E button right here. 2 over from the number 1 is e to the x. Okay. So, real quick, here's how you do this. Okay, I'm going to leave it on the board, but I'm explaining it. Is everyone looking with your eyes? Some of y'all look with the top of your head, which means you're not really looking, right? So, check it out. Do you see these rules right here? Okay, exponent rules. And then you have logarithm rules. So, if I have e to the x plus 4, I'm going to look right here and see what looks like that. Oh, look right here. E to the a plus b. That means it's really e to the a times e to the b. So if you have adding in the exponents, turn it into 2 being multiplied. So again, if I have adding in the exponents, turn it into 2 being multiplied. Do you see the answer over here somewhere? Letter E, okay? So like on this one, letter E, okay, because I'm using this rule right here. Okay? Then, what do I need to do? Use my calculator to figure out which one it equals over here. If I plug this in the calculator, I get 54.598. And then this is going to be 2.718 to the power of x. I'm going to end up getting this one, okay? So, when you put your answers on the bottom, Okay. The first one says, what is 1R? So for number 1, on column R, I got E. So I'm going to put an E right here. If it'll write, it'll work. And then for column D, for number 1, I got letter A. So that'll be A. Okay. I'll leave that up there as a clue on how to do this stuff. Okay. So I'm going to pass out 10.4. That's what you're working on today. Tomorrow we're doing 10.5. Okay. We may or may not do a 10.6 on Wednesday. We're going to review on Thursday. Test Friday. Very important test. Last major grade. Tests are very big parts of your grade. They can make your grade go up, but they can also drag you down. So think about where your grade is today. If you need help with your average, Friday, you want to get a good test grade, right? If you're passing and you don't want to start failing, then you want to do good on Friday's test. What? How long is the test? It's a surprise. All right, so here we go. We're going to get started.